Hello guys, it's Hadris with WTI and I want to show you these beautiful Crocs. They are super cozy for walking and wearing daily anywhere. I chose this pink shade because it's my favorite color, but I didn't think they would look so pretty. I love wearing them all the time. I like that they can be decorated with any pins we want. I have this crab one and it looks great. We can put on and take off as many as we want. I also like having them for the beach because I can clean them very easily with water, or if they get stained, I can use a brush and soap and they look like new again. If you want cozy shoes for any occasion, this will be a good option. And this is my point of view.